আজি আলোচনা কৰিম কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন আৰু এনেধৰণে প্ৰতিটো ছানডেতে কুৱেশ্যন আনিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম প্ৰতি দেওবাৰে এনেধৰণৰ নিট আৰু ICR AIEE কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ আনিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম গতিকে আজিৰ সেশনটো আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 erythropoietin hormone which stimulate RBC formation is produced by অপশ্যনসমূহ ইয়াত দিয়া আছে Option 1 juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney. Option 2 alpha cells of pancreas. Option 3 the cells of rostral adenohypophysis. 4 the cells of bone marrow. And the correct answer is juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney. Next question. Question number 2. Saccus entericus is referred to as Option 1 chyme, Option 2 pancreatic juice, Option 3 intestinal juice, Option 4 gastric juice. And answer is 3 intestinal juice. Saccus entericus is referred to as intestinal juice. Question number 3. During the process of gene amplification using PCR, if very high temperature is not maintained in the beginning, then which of the following step of PCR will be affected? Option 1 ligation, Option 2 annealing, Option 3 extension, Option 4 denaturation. And answer is denaturation. Denaturation steps will be affected first. Then question number 4. Which of the following statement wrongly represented the nature of smooth muscle? Option 1. These muscles are present in the wall of the blood vessels. Option 2. These muscles have no striation. Option 3. They are involuntary muscles. Option 4. Communication among the cells is performed by intercalated discs. Answer is 4. Communication among the cells is performed by intercalated discs. This statement is wrongly represented the nature of smooth muscle. Intercalated discs is present in cardiac muscle. Answer is option 4. Then question number 5. Persons with AB blood group are called as universal recipients. This is due to Option 1 absence of antibodies NTA and NTB in plasma. Option 2 absence of antigen A and B on the surface of RBCs. Option 3 absence of antigen A and B in plasma. Option 4 presence of antibodies NTA and NTB on RBCs. And answer is Option 1 absence of antibodies NTA and NTB in plasma. Question number 6. Receptor for sperm binding in mammals are present on Option 1 zona pellucida, Option 2 corona radiata, Option 3 vitelline membrane, Option 4 perivitelline space. And answer is zona pellucida. Receptor for sperm binding in mammals are present on zona pellucida. Question number 7. The organelles that are included in the endomembrane system are Option 1 Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and lysosomes. Option 2 endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome and lysosomes. Option 3 endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complexes, lysosome and vacuoles. Option 4 Golgi complex, mitochondria, ribosomes and lysosome. And the answer is Option number 3 endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complexes, lysosome, and vacuoles. And question number 8. The adenosine deaminase deficiency result: Addison disease, dysfunctions of immune system, Parkinson's disease, digestive disorder. And answer is dysfunctions of immune system. The adenosine deaminase deficiency results dysfunction of immune systems. Answer 2. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a step in multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology? MOIT. Option 1. Fertilized eggs are transferred to surrogate mother at 8 to 32 cell stage. Option 2. Cow is administered hormone having LH-like activity for superovulation. Option 3. Cow yields about 6 to 8 eggs at a time. Option 4. Cow is fertilized by artificial insemination. And the answer is option number 2. Cow is administered hormone having LH-like activity for superovulation. This step is not a steps in multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Question number 10. Which of the following secrete the hormone relaxin during the later phase of pregnancy? Option 1. Uterus. Option 2. Graafian follicle. Option 3. Corpus luteum. Option 4. Fetus. And the answer is corpus luteum. Answer option number 3. Corpus luteum. Question number 11. Identify the types of cell junction that help to stop the leakage of the substance across a tissue and facilitation of communication with neighboring cell via rapid transfer of ion and molecules. Option 1. Adhering junctions and gap junction respectively. Option 2. Gap junction and adherent junction respectively. Option 3. Tight junction and gap junction respectively. Option 4. Adherent junction and tight junction respectively. And the answer is option number 3. Tight junction and gap junction respectively. গতিকে আজিৰ কাৰণে আছিলে এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন। নেক্সট ৰবিবাৰ সানডে আৰু এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আহিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম। গতিকে যদি এনেধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন বিচাৰে তেনেহ'লে কমেণ্ট বক্সত জনাই দিব আৰু লগতে লগৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকলক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। আজিৰ কাৰণে ইমানে। ধন্যবাদ।